JUVIAS here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is such a good video because I've been waiting to film this video for about a week now. I've been trying to push out my other videos so that way I can be able to film this video, and I guess time was on my side today, so I was able to film this video for you guys. It is a P.Louise video. They just dropped their new collection called Worldie. When I seen like the videos that they were like posting before the actual collection came out, I was just like shook it, okay? Like I just was like, I have to get it. That's like my favorite color, pink. I'm obsessed with P.Louise. I've been wanting to get some of their bases for so long that I don't know, I just never got around to getting it, you know what I mean? So the fact that they came out with this palette, I mean this collection altogether, I just had to get it. I'm just going to be showing you guys how the collection looks, what comes in the collection, how the aesthetics are. Like, it's so many affirmations and motivational quotes that are on this suitcase. It's crazy. So yeah, and then I'm also going to be doing a look for you guys, so I'm just pretty excited about it. And I did my hair the other day. It's not looking the same like it was the other day. I just been sleeping on it, honey. It's been in for about a week now, so it's still not as fresh as it was the first time, but no worries sis, the video for this hairstyle will be linked above. But without further ado, if you guys would like to see what I create and what's in this collection, then just keep on watching. This suitcase is huge. Like, this is bomb. Look at this. This is so cute. This is like my favorite color, pink. You hear that? That is a suitcase, a real suitcase. It's so authentic and so creative. Like, I've never seen this. Like, I've never seen a brand that put so much thought into their packaging. Like, you usually see this for like PR packages and things like that, but the fact that they giving this to like their supporters and people who actually support their brand is amazing. Like, this is beautiful. They put so much thought into this into this collection. It's just bomb. Like, I can't. Okay. So on the front of the box, on the front of the suitcase, it says P.Louise. And so the adventure begins. You are about to embark on a journey of success. The absolute worldie. Prepare for career takeoff. Traveled the journey of doubts. Beach, please. The world is yours. Carrying 100% sass. Nothing to declare other than a load of ambitions. Alright, I ain't have to curse. Like, that's the only thing I like. Like, okay, like, it was a girl, but you know, could have left out the cuss words, but I mean, hey, this is their brand. They can do whatever they want to do, okay? And then it said, followed my heart. So I did follow my heart and purchase this beauty. On the sides of it, it says, your adventure awaits. On the other side, it says, the sky is the limit. And let's go to the back of it. It's so cute. Like, I'm just obsessing right now, okay? Give me my moment. Give me my time. It says, pat me down in security. And then it says, destination success, extra AF. If lost, please return to the babe whose dreams were too big to carry on board. Period. I love that. It says, let the journey begin. P.Louise. Bon voyage, baby. And then it says, destination success, discover self-belief. Warning, please remove all extra baggage. Yes, that means your ex. I mean, hello? Leave him at the crib. Leave him at the door, honey, because we're going on a trip. We're going on vacation to somebody's island. Okay? Leave them where they're at. This is so cute, okay? So, let's open up the package, okay? So when you first open up the package, on the inside there is like this safety on board. Like, you know how like when you go sit inside your seat on the plane, they have like their little boarding do's and don'ts, and you know, just what to do in case of, okay? They have that little card right up on the front of your seat. And it says, welcome aboard flight VIP. Louise departing your dreams and making them a reality on our journey to destination success. As you know, babe, we like to break the rules and challenge conventional makeup. They really do. Like, they really go above and beyond with their makeup looks, so I truly believe that. However, please follow these basic instructions. You know, their basics is called basic, you know, get it? Weather warning. Unfortunately, babe, the weather can't always be promised. We can dream of 30 degrees heat, but in reality, we feel the rain to appreciate the clear skies. Better days are ahead of us. Pretty much, when rain comes, best believe that the sunshine is on the way. Seatbelt sign. Buckle up, babe. You're about to set off on your journey to success. Expect turbulence along the way. Not every path is smooth, but the final destination is beautiful. It really is. So believe that God will take you twists and turns, but at the end of the day, your path will be smooth one of these days, and you'll appreciate when it wasn't. Okay? You'll appreciate it more. Say that. Okay? You don't need anything weighing you down on your journey. You really don't. You don't need negative people, negative exes, negative friends. You don't need nobody that's trying to pull you back and try to manipulate your mind and try to get you off course, because we're on the destination to success. And if they trying to not get you there, Sayonara Rufa Dirce, can you get them off the flight? They're disturbing my peace. Okay? They gotta go. So thank you for flying with P.Louise. We wish you a wealthy journey. Thank you so much. And look at the front. It's so cute. Look at that. Freaking adorable. Inside of the package, I know y'all like eager to see what is inside of this beautiful, beautiful packaging. It comes with a passport, the actual palette, and 2 boarding passes. And I'm just gonna start off with the passport, because that one is like the most beautiful and like well put together, like well thought out thing. Like, I cannot believe that she took so much time out, and her team, whoever it is amazing for even coming up with such an idea like this. This is so cute. Destination to success, and it says the same thing that it says on the front, except that this one, it says I am headed in the right direction, and then it has like this little compass where you can twist it and, you know, move it or whatever. Flying in the lane, a little lost, but I'm getting there. Taking it global, or of course following my dreams, reroute to find my self-belief, took the scenic route, flying in a fast lane. Oh my god, this is so cute. It says grateful for where I am and excited about where I'm going. Amen. It says passport control. It's time to depart from that comfort zone. You can't get to where you want to be by staying in the same place. Hello out there, can you hear me? Yeah, are you hearing me clearly? Current destination, my now circumstances. Current ambitions, my aspirations for the next 5 years. Final destination, tell me what it looks, feels, and smells like. So that basically they want you to, you know, write this down. You can write up in here, but honestly, I don't think I'm going to write in this. I love it just the way it is. I'm not even going to be touching this. Once I take out the brushes, I'm leaving this right back inside of this case. And then on the other side, it says believe in your abilities, don't compete, you're on your own flight path, and that's period. Dream, plan, do. Life itinerary. Health, wealth, dream wheels, must accomplish, take a trip to, love myself more by. They really want to build your self-empowerment and let you know that you can do it. I feel like that's what this is. And then at the bottom it says always reflect on your journey. You may have experienced turbulence. You may not be in the seat you wanted. And the window seat is in the reaching distance. But remember, no matter where you sat, babe, we are all headed to the same destination. Literally. So on the other side it says passport. Remember, babe, you're winning every day. Just by not giving up. Take credit, you're killing it. When in doubt, grab your brushes and create magic. The sooner you start believing in yourself, the sooner you will land in that final destination. Name, Bad B. Listen, I don't call myself the B word. I will never call myself that. I don't think I've ever said I'm a bad B. Maybe if I was singing Nicki Minaj song a long time ago, but never have I ever said that. I don't know. I'm a queen. Y'all know I call myself Queen Sy. That's #1. So my name is Queen Sy. Age, there's no age limit on chasing your dreams. Occupation, self-made, baby, and that's on fire. Relationship status, self-love. Hobbies, reaching for the stars, proving my haters wrong, making the impossible possible. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, it doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you've got beside you on your journey, which is why we've made our Worldie brushes our perfect travel size for you to catch flights, not feelings, period. Felt like I needed to read that just to reach somebody, to let them know too that they can do it. Like, I always feel like I give so many affirmations on my channel, just to let you guys know, like, if I can do it, you can do it if you put your back into it. Okay. So next we have the boarding passes. These are so cute. These boarding passes are so adorable. They got business class and then they have first class, and then it basically says prepare for your career to take off. You're about to embark on a journey of success. And this is basically their lip gloss and liner duos. The first one is Achievements liner and Heights lipstick. On the back it said send news. Destination between your dreams and reality is called action. And then she basically has like another saying on the same thing that it says on the back, but this one is different because it has the name of the words in it. I mean the name of each lipsticks in there. So moving on, we have here standard liner and takeoff lipstick, and this one is another duo too. It basically says the same thing, but except they just insert business class, standard, and takeoff, which is really cute. I really like this one too, but my favorite one has to be the Achievement and Heights, just because I love a dark liner. And then also it's really the lipstick for me. I'm so used to using NYX that the fact that they have these in here, I'm pretty excited about that. And these are super cute, and like they really took their time to figuring out how can they give somebody something different. So last but not very least, I have the palette. Now this palette is so bomb. I was so shook when I seen it. Like, it has like some type of sand on the inside of it. Like, look at that. Look at that. And then when you open it, on the inside, like this color canvas, so cute. And even the words on here are so bomb. Like the color scheme. The only thing I hate is that they don't have any pink on here. Like, I was like, where's the pink? You guys know I love pink. Look at my nails, they're pink. I know I love pink, and they didn't have no pink on here, which I was a little bit sad about, but it is what it is. It's their palette, their journey, you know what I mean? So first things first, they got Worldie. The names of these are so cute. They have Worldie, Europe, Sky High, San Francisco, Jaydot, Paris, the Alps, Global, Vacay, When in Rome, Baggage, Big Apple, Brode Drive, Barrier Reef, Luggage, Lounge, First Class, Down Under, Manchester, Explore, Destination, and Sunset. Super, super bomb. I'm just here for the color and the pigment of this. Like, I cannot wait to see how they look. I already know how pigmented they palette is, just based on, I'm just pretty much basing this off of their Instagram and how they do looks on their Instagram. So I can't wait. And then of course it came with the 3 brushes that came inside of the Passport palette. Now these brushes are really small. Like, these are the smallest brush I've ever seen. Here is my, let's compare it to my Jeffree Star Morphe brushes, and look at how short these brushes are. Short little tiny brushes, like super cute. Like, this is the average size eyeshadow brush, okay? And these are the little tiny eyeshadow brushes. I've never held a brush this small. I've never held a brush this small, and it's so little. Like, it's super small. Like, these brushes are so thick. And then I also bought, I forgot to mention before I mention it now, this is their Cut Crease, their traditional Cut Crease brush, and that's what I'm going to be using today. And then last but not least, I know I said last but not least like twice now, but I'm going to say it once more. Last but not least, I bought 3, aside from the palette, aside from the collection, I ended up buying, like I said, the brush and 3 bases. I purchased Rumor 0.5, 3, and 4. And then inside of the collection, they gave me number 2, the sample, which is super cute, super tiny compared to the traditional size. So I don't know, I'm pretty excited about that. So number 3 and 2 is like right behind them. Thank God I didn't get 2, because that's the one I was going to get, but I did get 0.1, which is the actual blank one. So I am super excited about this whole collection. It from the aesthetics to the words to each individual thing that they put in here, to the effort they put behind this collection is super dope, super creative, super pretty to the eye. The aesthetics, you guys know I'm here for the aesthetics, and just everything that they put inside of this palette is just A1. I'm here for it. Without further ado, let's get to slaying. I'm about to dip, and I'm about to whip my wrist. You guys like to see me create something with this beautiful palette collection? Then just keep on watching.